G'day, people in the
Hey,
UK. Big news. WhyBravo are coming over your side of the world in January 2025. Steve, absolutely pumped for this one.
so pumped, mate. We've been thinking about this for some time, actually. We've done a lot of great work with construction, manufacturing, projects-based sales teams for years now across the UK. But we have never actually made the full journey to get on site, shake some hands, see the manufacturing floors, see what you're up to, and actually, get our hands dirty, so to speak, working alongside your sales team. So we're doing some 1 day and 2 day deep dives, Das. What do we got in store for a select number? We've got limited time there, but a select number of companies.
Yeah, for sure. So a lot of the companies in that 10 to 50 million pound range in project sales, construction, manufacturing, we're going to be developing playbooks. So end-to-end ways, how to actually close deals in your company, how to find, nurture and close deals in a predictable and repeatable way. Running sales blitzes, Steve. We're seeing massive results in very short amounts of time in terms of people flooding their pipeline momentum when we get in there for a full day with a team. So top of funnel blitzes, middle of funnel blitzes, and bottom of funnel blitzes, a lot of that happening. And then just general training, Steve. So a lot of the strategies that we've covered probably the last 2 to 3 years in that 10 to 50 mil range of projects, we've really started to specialize and realize a lot of the strategies that help shift the needle in sales results in that nice little sweet spot. So that's going to be good, mate. Anything else you want to add there?
Just all starts with the discovery call. Obviously, like I said, we've only got a limited number of days left available. So we wanted to send you this video. So we'd love to jump on a call with you, explore some of your bigger goals for 2025, get really clear on the outcomes that you're looking for, the vision, the bigger goals, understand the key challenges that you're running into. I know that a lot of people are in more of that headwind market, so they're looking for creative and strategic ways to cut through. So we'd love to learn about that because we're looking to tailor either a 1 day or a 2 day deep dive on site with some follow-up Zooms to support you now and into the future as well. So if that sounds like you, hit reply to this email, hit reply to the message, and we'd love to jump on a Zoom and see if it's a fit.
Beautiful. So we're hitting it up in January 2025. So plenty of time to plan and we're looking forward to it. Love your work. We'll see you on site.
Cheers.
Cheers.